Another day, another Marshall. Or so it seems. We got a JCM 2000 family TSL601 amp on a bench. That's the triple super lead combo with a single 12-inch driver. We're going to do a quick exterior and audio assessment before I got to go, and I do. We're going to see what's up with this one. Just needs a few little things here and there. But let's get into the audio section here so I can skedaddle. Bye. All right, now, Marshall TSL601. It's a TSL for you guys. You know that, 112-inch speaker, 60 watts, they say. So this one's used, and I'm just doing an exterior evaluation, and we'll do a bit of a sound check as well. So we have a broken, we have a shattered power switch. The standby switch is okay. We have some noisy tubes and some crunchy pots. That's for starters. So I have about a 330 millivolt signal running through the front end. We're in a clean channel. Let me get you over the top there. And then you can take a peek. Actually, you know what? Let me switch. So take a peek at the tech scope back here. Let's wind her up. Get a little more volume on that. I have the master cranked. I'm just working off the clean channels gain control. Getting some issues with the volume pot as well. So let's move over to crunch. Go over the lead. Stand by. All right, we have some crunchy pots. Something's going on with this input jack. Channel switching fine. Again, broken. Let me get you over there. If I can reach it. Might be able to see that. You can see that crack there. And that's it. I know we have some new tubes to put in. There's a speaker coming in for you and a reverb tank. but we may want to talk about this guy. And hopefully the circuit board is not too bad. But we'll get in there and find out on another video. That'll be tomorrow. That's what that's going to be. So I'll check you guys out later. Bye.